season 1 broke me.
Welcome back to the channel, fam. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Set it to all so you don't miss out on anything. Now let's get into this mess, okay? Y'all have to stop whatever you're doing because we need to talk. I don't know if you have been keeping up with Nandi and the Rev reality show. We had touched on that a bit. And a lot of people were not happy at all at how the Rev was being treated by Nandi. They were complaining, talking about how now abuse is being promoted on national TV. But obviously there were some who were defending Nandi, who were saying that Nandi didn't just get to the state that she was in on season 1 just like that. This man has been pushing her and pushing her and pushing her and pushing her for her to get to that. Anyway, people were complaining. Nobody wanted for them to be renewed for season 2. However, they're back, okay? They've been renewed for season 2 from the 12th of July. They will be on our screens again. Congratulations to them. And on the teaser that has just been released, the Rev is seen admitting that season 1 broke him, literally. He lost everything from his position, stability, and almost lost his family too. He's saying that at some point he had to sit with himself and ask himself who he really is without the title of being the Rev. This man is saying on season 2, we can expect to see him as a man assuming his position as the head of his family and leading the family. A man willing to preach again and be a freelance pastor, preacher, what have you, to fulfill his calling. And he's saying that he's not a perfect man, but he's striving to be a better man. And it seems like season 2 will be about rebuilding. Now, this prompted a topic across social media about reality TV, especially what people are currently consuming now, which is Londi London's reality TV show, and they're not happy at all, okay? Almost every review that I've seen about Londi's show, people have been complaining. Some people, upon seeing that Nandi and the Rev have been renewed for season 2, they were like, we would rather watch Nandi and the Rev than Londi's show. Others are like, bring back the Balas, bring back the Ranakas, heck, bring back Papa Penny. And apparently Londi's show is so boring that people feel like it could have been really a vlog, not an entire season of a reality show. It is not reality TV worthy, that she could have really just opened a YouTube channel and put her content out as vlogs or something like that. Comparisons were made between Life with Londi, the reality show, and Life with Dinomo Loisani, the YouTube channel. And people are just like, you know what? Dinomo Loisani's content is tea. That is top tier. That should have been a reality TV show. We would have loved to watch her content as reality TV content. And these are not even people who are saying, oh, I don't like this one, I like this one. No, these are people who are saying, we love both ladies. And no shade, both ladies are beautiful. They're doing their best with their content. However, maybe Life with Dinomo Loisani should have been reality TV content and Live with Londi London YouTube vlogs. But I would like to hear what you think of all this. And if you have watched both ladies, what are your thoughts? What's your take? And everything else, of course. So let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.